Welcome to Adda 24/7. We are in Sankalpa series for RBWM and we are covering important theory and objective questions for RBWM. Up till now, we have covered chapter number 1, important theory and objective questions. Earlier, last Saturday, I covered objective theory and objective questions, some part of the objective questions for chapter 2. So today what we'll be covering is, we'll be covering chapter number 2 again, but remaining objective questions, difficult ones. Okay, so follow this series till the end, everyone. Okay, so let's start with the objective question. Today all the objective questions, only objective questions. So business mix in banking means what? What is business mix? Actually, business and mix, look at these words. Okay, don't I give you some idea about this? Mix means what? Mix means mixture, mixture, right? And business means whatever business I am in. So what is the banking business in? Banking is a business of what? Banking is a business of deposits, right? Deposits, loans, right? Loans. And now what have we added? This was the main business, but now we have added TPP. Then we have added fee-based income, fee-based, right? So we have added all these. So my business mix becomes what? Whatever I can offer to that customer. Whatever I can offer to that customer. So what can I offer to the customer? That's what the options are. Let's look at the options. A combination of products or services the company sells, activities it's engaged in, or the customer groups it targets. So what is this business mix? Means combination of products or services the company sells. See this, products or services. What are the products in my savings deposit part? Okay, everyone, what are the products in my deposits? Deposit products are basically, who can tell me? Type in the comment section. Saving, correct. CASA you call it directly, isn't it? CASA, current account saving. Then you have FD. Then you have RD. RD is also there, isn't it? These are the 4 main deposit products. Nowadays we have CDs also, certificate of deposit. Okay. Loans, we have all the loans of home loans, home loan, personal loan, right? Credit cards. Credit card is also a type of loan only. Credit card and all these. Okay. So these are all known as the product offers. So product or services the company sells, activities it is engaged in. It's engaged in what? Deposits and loans. And the customer it targets. Targets means what? We are targeting all types of customers, right from the poorest one to the richest one. So business mix is A, or classification of branches into rural, urban, etc. Is this also the answer? Or both A and B. Now this can also be the answer, both A and B. This combination and branches also. Is this a answer? So the answer is what? Type fast in the comment section. Is it A or, okay, let me cross this. D is out. And now it's either A, even B is out, single B is out. B is a part, but either it's A or C. What is the answer? Combination of product, services, activities engaged in, customer groups, or and classification of branches. So answer is not this. Remember, the answer is only A. Classification of branches is known as a separate category altogether. Okay, this is classification based branch, this system in the branches. Okay, so this is classification approach actually followed by the banks. So this is not a part of my business mix. Business mix is whatever I am offering to the customers. Combination of products or services the company sells, activities it is engaged in, and the customer groups it caters to. Delivery channel in banking means, now what is delivery channel? Delivery channel means anything by which I can reach my customer. So bank means I'm talking of HO, head office. How can HO reach to the customer? HO can reach to the customer through branches, and then the customer. And nowadays we have this was the mainstream of banking channels. Nowadays we have virtual channels, like virtual. Okay, virtual channel means whatever is E channel. Okay, I can have a DSA model also, DSA, right? So let's look at the options. Is it only branches and field officers? Automated teller machines, ATMs, payment terminals, point of sale devices, mobile branches, mobile phones, internet banking. Is it A, B, C, or D? All of the above. What is the answer over here? So delivery channels means what? What did I tell you? How do we reach the customers? So I can reach the customer through branches also, through my field officers also, through ATMs also, through payment terminals also. Payment terminals means what? Where the payments are given or taken, like the BCs. Okay. Then point of sale devices. Point of sale means wherever I purchase or sell in the malls. Mobile branches, mobile phones. Even these are the new channels now. Everyone is on these mobile phones nowadays. Internet banking, e-banking. So answer is all of the above. All of them are delivery channels. Always remember. Everything is a delivery channel by which I can reach to the customer is known as a delivery channel. Okay. So the business model followed by foreign and private banks for retail banking is. So what is the business model followed by these foreign and private banks? Very important one. So which is the model followed by these foreign and private banks? Yeah. Foreign and private banks. Now look at the options. These options, I had taken this topic yesterday on Saturday. Some part of this. From there you'll have to guess. Those who had attended it, kindly tell me what will be the answer. Tell me the answer over here. Yes, in the comment section. I want it in the comment section. So what is the answer over here in this? Yeah, it is horizontal, vertical. What is the model? Let's see. See here. What is the option given? Strategic business unit, departmental approach, integrated approach, or anyone. See here, we are talking of foreign banks. Foreign banks always follow SBU approach. SBU means, I had explained it on SBU on Saturday. SBU means all your profits should be enough to cover your expenses. That's your SBU. Each branch should cover its own expenses. That is SBU. So this model is followed by foreign and private banks in retail banking. Okay. The business model followed by nationalized banks for retail banking are SBU approach, departmental approach, integrated approach, and anyone. Integrated approach I had explained you. I had explained you all the three in the Saturday class. So which is the model followed by nationalized banks over here? It is departmental. Very good. It is departmental approach. B. B is followed by nationalized banks. Okay. There are pros and cons for each model. See here, SBU is also good. Departmental is also good. Depending on, we have to take some good parts of SBU, some good parts of departmental, and then work. Okay. Integrated model, that's a separate model. That is followed by small businesses. Okay. Everyone, download Adda 24/7 app on your mobile, and also subscribe to Officers Adda 24/7 YouTube channel. In this channel, remember everyone, you'll get the free YT series, free YouTube. See right now, what are you watching? You're watching the free YouTube only. On which channel? It's the same channel, Officers Adda. So whenever you're getting anything free, firstly download it. Firstly download, click on it, click on the subscription, click on the bell icon, click on the like button, share it with your friends. Okay, kindly share it. Then secondly, you get the updates. Various updates from IIBF are immediately uploaded over here. So these updates are very important. It may be regarding to your exam. It may regarding to your seat number. Okay. Next one. The business model followed by banks for retail banking are. Now see here, all the three questions seem to be the same, but they are different. One was of foreign banks. Second one was of nationalized banks, and this is common by banks, common banks. So it is what? SBU, departmental, integrated, or any one of the above. So now we are talking of banks. Now these banks can be foreign banks, or they can be private banks, Indian private, or they can be nationalized banks, or they can be, there's one more banking sector, or they can be anyone which is the next banking sector. It can be cooperative bank, okay. So any of these banks we are talking of now. So it will be what? SBU, departmental, integrated, or any one of the above. Depending on the bank to bank, it will change. Remember, it can be, it is actual answer is D, any one of the above, because it can be anything. Foreign banks, as we saw, can have this SBU approach. Nationalized banks can have departmental approach. Small banks, new small banks, some of the new small banks, they can follow this integrated approach. Or even small cooperative banks, they can follow the integrated approach. So depending on the bank, the models will change. Okay. Foreign banks which entered into retail banking activities were not able to achieve the business objective. So when foreign banks are not able to achieve the retail banking business objective, what do you mean by this? Here, if you read the newspaper, we have read it. Citibank has exited the retail business. Exited. A retail. Exit. A retail. HSBC Bank. Exited. HSBC. Out. None of them is in retail now. Retail means all that saving, current, FD, nothing. Then this Standard Chartered, Stancy we call it, Stancy exited from retail business. Now why have this achieved this? Why have they exited? So the question over here is, how do they function? They are purely on business. So foreign banks which entered the retail banking activities were not able to achieve the business objectives. So what did they do? They continued with their business in spite of not being profitable. Did they continue with their business? In spite of not being profitable. Moved out of business, changed their focus with some strategic changes, and none of the above. So what did they do? See here, firstly they'll try this, make some changes, change the focus with some strategic changes. Firstly they'll try this, but even if it does not work, then what is given in this were not able to achieve. They did everything, they did this C, but not able to achieve. So what? Last option is this, moved out of business. Foreign banks are very clear in their objective. They know if it's not business, if it's not profit, move out. Okay. The suitability of business model or approach of a bank depends upon. Business model means what? See this, approach and business model. There are various business models. One is horizontal, vertical. Then somewhat means almost horizontal, that is, yeah, one sec, yeah, so it is horizontal, but these are the two main models. Okay, so horizontal, vertical model. Then there can be other models also, means see here, there is a combination. Now main are these two. It's like I can have this saying that somebody is clever and somebody is not. So depending on other things, I can definitely manage between them. So it can be like somewhat horizontal, or they can call it somewhat some other name also, right? So I can call it anything. So main are these two. Horizontal means what? The data is shared, no data is shared within the departments. So data sharing is product wise, product in horizontal. Okay. And second is this vertical, this it is common database. The remaining are there, as I told you. There can be predominantly, see here, they call it predominantly. Then I'm having horizontal, predominantly horizontal, or predominantly vertical. Okay, these are the models I'm having. These are the four models. And approach means what? Just now we saw that approach, SBU approach, or this integrated approach, or department approach. So the suitability of business model or approach of a bank depends upon what? Corporate strategy, business objective, business mix, and all of the above. Combination of all these, or only on corporate strategy. See here, even if my corporate strategy is having some XYZ things, but if my business mix means if I'm not having those many products, then how will I be able to sell it to the customers? Isn't it? So that's why it is all of them, combination of these. Okay. everyone, download Adda 24/7 app on your mobile. In this app, you will be getting the premium study material plus live classes, ebooks, tests, everything. Whatever you need for clearing JIB and CIB, you'll get it over here. So download it right now. Okay. Business models of retail banking are being drawn based on various aspects. In this context, which one of the following is incorrect? Here, business models mean just now I showed you horizontal, vertical, PH and PV, right? So in this context, which one of the following aspects is incorrect? We want incorrect now. On which the business model is not based. So it is product, capacity, delivery channel or technology. On which it is not based, not. Okay. So this product, business model will be based on the product mix, isn't it? Business mix. So this is true. It will be based on the delivery channel, because how can I reach the customer? That is also an answer to this. True. Technology. So delivery channels will actually depend on the technology, right? So this is also true. But capacity is not at all the factor on which the business models depend. We have to build the capacity. See here, it's like this. First is business model and then we build a capacity. So the answer over here is false. And this is the answer I want. It's not one way. It's not the way around. Means like first capacity, and then business model, number one, and then business model, second. I'll just write BM now, business model. It's not this. It's always first business model and then capacity. According to my business model, I'll build my capacity. So capacity always comes next. Okay. So business models are drawn not on the basis of capacity, but all the remaining things. Okay. The implementation of models followed by banks for retail banking include. So which are these models? Just now I gave you this 2 questions back. Horizontally organized, straight organized, management organized, RBI organized. So which is the model followed by the banks? Straight organized, management organized, RBI organized. Do we see these things? What were the 4 names given? Just type in the comment section, everyone. Just I gave you all the 4 names. First is correct. The answer is horizontally. First is horizontally. I'll just write H now. Second is vertically. Right? Vertically. Third one. Now third one fast. Third one is correct. PH. Predominantly horizontal. And last one is predominantly vertical. Very good. H, V, PH and PV. These are the 4 models. So out of them, horizontally is the right answer. There is nothing called a straight, management or RBI. Okay. Horizontally organized model is, what is horizontally organized model? Now this is a separate question. What is horizontally organized model? Horizontally organized model is, just now I gave you some idea about this in the earlier 2 questions earlier. A modular structure using different process models for different products, offering end-to-end solutions product-wise. Either A or B, both A and B. What is the answer? Horizontally organized. Modular structure offering different process models for different products. So different process models for different products. So is this the answer? Yes. What did we say? Product-wise it is classified. That is horizontally. So A is right. But what about B? Offering end-to-end solutions product-wise. End-to-end, here again product-wise. So this is also true. So the answer is D, both A and B. Okay, this is my answer. Got it, everyone? Now, see the Sankalp batch just now started for RBWM. Join this batch ASAP. In this batch, you'll be getting all the 4 subjects: PPB, IFS, AFM, and RBWM. All the 4 subjects are covered. Numericals, objective questions, case studies, everything is covered. You can join the Mahapack also. In Mahapack, you are getting multiple batches. What are you getting in Mahapack here? 1, multiple batches. Second is live classes, video courses, ebooks, test series, mini and Maha marathons, practice papers, and doubt sessions. So you'll get all these. So that's why join this Mahapack 2.0. Very important. How to join this? Okay. Right now, discount offer is going on. Huge discount. Let me show you the discounts. Very important. Okay, see here, whatever is available at discount or whatever is available at free, grab it fast. That's why I told, click on that YouTube Officers Adda 24/7, subscribe, click on the bell icon. Why? Because it's available free. Similarly over here on this also, right now 80% off is going on. Grab this opportunity. You won't get this offer every now and then. Okay, go to Adda 24/7. Gone. You'll see this. Click on JAIIB and CIB. Okay. Once you click on JAIIB and CIB, click on JAIIB October 23. Done. You'll see the batches over here. Click on this Sankalpa batch English. Click. You'll see the details. What are the details? See this. 300 hours online live classes. 142 test series. 181 ebooks. My God. 300 hours online live classes. Test series. Ebooks. 181 ebooks and 142 tests. Even if you give half of them, if you are able to, in your banking pressure, see, everyone is having banking pressure, I understand. So even if you give half of them, then also you'll clear this. Recorded videos are available, so that if you miss out on any class someday, you can definitely get back through the recorded videos. Click on this. See this. What is the fees? 80% off. 3999.80. 80%. Such an offer do you get anytime. Click on buy now. Click on continue. See this, 80% is already applied. 19,999 reduces to 3999.80. Already applied. Fill in your details. Just pay and done. You can join the Mahapack. What is the Mahapack? Mahapack means, as I told you, multiple batches. 10 to 15 batches per subject. Click on the JAIIB CIB Mahapack. Now click on the JAIIB Mahapack. Okay. Once you click on this JAIIB Mahapack, look at this. Recorded videos are available. Plus 600 plus online classes. 237 test series. 315 ebooks. 628 videos. Isn't it a huge offer? And what is the fee? 6719. 80% off. What is the validity? Double validity. Double means you are getting it 2 times. 6 months is now increased to 6 plus 6 months. 2 times. Okay. So buy now immediately. Click on this buy now. You'll see that, see this, 80% is already applied. 6 plus 6 months is already applied, double validity. So code is already applied. You need not apply any code. Just click on continue. Then fill in your details, continue, make the payment. That's it. Okay. I'll be back tomorrow with another series. Till then, goodbye and join the batch immediately. Just now started and exams are on the head. Okay. Bye.